Hey guys, well, I'm gonna redo this video here because it got cut off on my other upload here. But this is my 87 Chevy 3/4 ton with a 7.5 foot Western plow on here. As you can see, it really didn't get too much, but we got about 1/2 inch of snow and a bit of ice, and had a lot of parking lots to de-ice and then clear out. Truck made me some good money. I got 33, 1250, 16.5 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Nice aggressive tread on here, really nice. It's got the 8-foot bed on here, 4-wheel drive obviously. It has the dual Flowmaster 40 series on there. There's one, there's the other. It's got the single gas tank. It's got a 3-inch body lift on it, no suspension. Rear sliding window, nice toolbox. It's got the trim package around it. It's got the receiver, light plug. Really nice truck. I really like it a lot. It's got the Chevy 350 with the 700 R4 transmission. All standard, pretty much dash in here. As you can see, simple gauges. Got my AM/FM CD radio player in here. 4-wheel drive selector, 4 high, 4 low. Got my control here for my plow. So when let's see. So when I turn this on, all electric. As you can see. Ba-boom. Nice truck. Let's see if she'll start this morning. Old carbureted motor. Love that sound. Now this truck hasn't ran since noon yesterday. Yeah, I got the air cleaner upside down, a little grody. Standard 350, no headers, stock manifold. Pretty nice, clean truck, I have to say. Really like it a lot. Everything works good. Got the manual locking hub. It's my fun little toy. Well, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.